Premier bathroom remodeling services in Millcreek, Utah. EagleRidge offers premier bathroom remodeling services in Millcreek, Utah, serving the 84106, 84107, 84109, and 84124 zip codes. Our team specializes in transforming bathrooms into stunning spaces, incorporating modern design trends and high-quality materials. Whether you're looking to update your fixtures or undertake a full renovation, EagleRidge has you covered with a wide range of services. From initial design and planning to demolition, plumbing, electrical work, and installation, we handle every step of the process with care and attention to detail. We also provide structural modifications, tile and flooring installation, waterproofing, and even smart technology integrations, ensuring your bathroom is both stylish and functional. Our team focuses on energy-efficient and durable solutions, using top-grade materials for lasting results. Whether you need a sleek, minimalist design or a luxurious spa-like retreat, EagleRidge ensures your vision comes to life. We take pride in offering custom designs, integrating natural elements like stone and wood, and incorporating modern conveniences such as heated flooring, smart mirrors, and energy-efficient lighting. We work within your budget and timeline, always delivering superior craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. For a free estimate and to learn more about how we can transform your bathroom, contact EagleRidge in Millcreek today at 801-784-1457. With EagleRidge, your dream bathroom is within reach. Call now and let's create the perfect bathroom for your home.